Okay, so hello everyone. Today I'm going to be doing my presentation. My name is Emily Hamilton, and then what I'm doing today is basically the research between elephant tusk sizes, the different tusk sizes based on the region. Alright, so in specific, my question was, does poaching affect elephant tusk length across different regions? I chose poaching in specific due to the article I was reading and got a lot of my information and data from. So basically, if you don't know what poaching is, it's the retrieval of an elephant's ivory. So it is their trunk. The trunk is made from ivory, and then sometimes it can cause just the regions to have smaller tusks over time. So that's why I chose this. Elephants are my favorite animals, so I decided to it would be fun. So next, this is my data. I know I wrote it. I hope you guys can see. I know my handwriting is a little small, but this is the website I basically got all my data from. And what I basically did was, it was very hard to find this data. I have to go one by one, find the mean of all of them. So as you can see, that's just basically the overall mean in each of those regions. So example, North America 6.1, middle of Africa 6, East Africa 5.9. They're all pretty similar in length, if you couldn't tell. So 6.16, the lowest would be 5.9, highest would be 6.2. So not that much of a difference. The next is the interpretation. I did use our helpful little machine to get all of this information. So the lower bound would be 5.9, upper 6.1, 6.2. The standard deviation was 0.101. So small. And then just kind of a little overview. The value in the data shows that elephants share similar trunk sizes, although they can vary. My initial question was if elephant tusk sizes vary by region. The data did show range, so not every single mean was the same, although it isn't as significant as I thought it would be. So I honestly did think that it would range at least a few feet. But honestly, there was really not that much range that I could get. The upper and lower range only differ by 0.2, which proves that the averages of these different regions are close in size. So there you go. The confidence interval, so 95% confidence interval, 5% significance level. Basically what this means is 95 of the 100 confidence intervals will contain the real mean value. Next, the test statistics, I got 200.3, and the p-value, I did get 0.920344. So if you just kind of round it, it'd be 0.92. And then the select significance level was 5%, which is what I chose. That's how I got the 95% confidence interval. So, all in all, in conclusion, there is not enough evidence to say that elephant tusks are not affected by poaching and are the same length in all regions. It is possible that elephant tusks are different in different regions, although the difference is very small. I did say in the other slide, the difference was 0.2 at most. If we look at the mean of each area, there's not enough drastic change to conclude either hypothesis or reject the null. So there really isn't a yes or no to this. There is no drastic changes, but there is change. So as for drastically, there's no drastic change throughout regions, solely looking at the mean. And then, as I said before, this is the data source that I got. If you guys are interested, I would definitely take a look at this article. It has so much different types of data, different types of information, and all this stuff about elephants and stuff. So it was really fun, and I would do the project again. In my initial post when we first started this class, I did struggle a lot with statistics, so this project in particular was a bit hard for me to keep up with, and just kind of like get everything together and like, you know, actually put the statistics into like, you know, life. But it was really fun, especially since I got to pick my own topic, something that I actually liked. But I would definitely need help again. So, but yes, that is all for my project. I hope you guys enjoyed and liked my topic. Have a great day.